MIT World Peace University Pune has received an overall rating of 4 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into a detailed review of the MBA program, starting with a 3.6 rated placements. According to the NIRF 2024 report, out of the 899 MBA graduates, 525 were placed and 2 students chose to pursue higher studies. However, the placement rate has dropped in the recent years. Top companies such as Flipkart, MG Motors, HCL, Amazon, and BHEL offered roles including marketing assistant, business development executive, and HR manager. While many students were satisfied with placement, some felt that the college's ROI was relatively low. The highest salary package was 30 lakh per annum, while the median package was 6 lakh per annum in 2022-23, showing a notable increase from the previous year. Compared to the nearby Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute of Management Studies, MIT WPO offers a more favorable median package. Speaking of internships, students secure opportunities with companies like Bisleri and Dabur, earning stipends of 30,000 per month. Moving on now to academics, where MIT WPO offers a 3.9 rated MBA program with 11 specializations, including international business, marketing, finance, operations and supply chain management, banking and financial services, and digital marketing. Admission is based on scores from CAT, XAT, NMAT, GMAT, PERA, CMAT, MAT-CET, and MAT. The eligibility requires a minimum of 60% aggregate in 3 or 4-year full-time bachelor's degree in any stream. The total tuition fee for the 2-year MBA dual program is around 12 lakh rupees, while for the other specializations, it is approximately 9.4 lakhs. In terms of financial support, MIT WPU serves merit-based scholarships on first-come, first-served basis. Switching gears to the 4.1 rated infrastructure. The campus is Wi-Fi enabled and features modern classrooms, an auditorium, and a library with over 2,000 seats. MIT WPU also boasts unique industry-sponsored labs like Tata Technological Labs, Blockchain Snapper Labs, and one of the only 3 subsea labs worldwide. Hostels offer double and triple-seater rooms with basic amenities for both boys and girls. Recreational facilities include a kabaddi court, Zumba studio, swimming pool, and yoga lawns with 24/7 security. Moving on now to faculty and course, which have received a 4-star rating from students. The students report that instructors are well qualified, with most holding PhDs and being supportive, though some feel that the teaching methods could be more creative. The MBA dual program allows flexible specialization combinations, such as choosing 2 functional core specializations or 1 functional and 1 domain specialization. MIT WPU Center for Industry Academia Partnership strengthens ties between academia and industry, offering hands-on experience through projects and collaboration with over 231 companies like Sybase and Intellimint. The university also has partnerships with over 40 international universities, including Deakin and University of Vermont. When it comes to campus life, rated 4.1 stars, MIT WPU offers 40 student clubs covering various interests like research, culture, and sports. Notable clubs include Team Procators and Rowing Club. The university hosts several events like Arohan, Taxifyer, and Robocon. Lastly, MIT WPU is currently not ranked for management in the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on MIT WPU Pune and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.